Hello guys, you're welcome once again on this platform, and in this video we are going to learn how to fix NBA Live not opening. So if your NBA Live is not opening, this is how to fix it. But before we start, please tap on the subscribe button and also like the video, share the video to your friends on other platforms, and I'll be happy if you do that. I really understand that you are having trouble with the opening of NBA Live, and it can be frustrating not to be able to enjoy your favorite game. To help you fix this issue, I need some more information. So, these are the information listed, and please make sure you let me know this information, like what you are facing, what you are seeing um, when you open the game. I want to know. Just let me know in the comment section, and I promise you I'm here for you. So whatever you let me know, I'm going to do a video on that for you. So one is, what platform are you playing NBA Live on? Is it on PC or on mobile? I mean, what device are you playing the NBA Live on? Just let me know in my comment section. And after that, secondly, what error message are you seeing, if any, um, you are seeing when you trying to open? Like, just let me know what you are seeing when you are trying to open the app, the information that pops up. Just let me know. And also, I want to know the device you're using. And thirdly, have you tried any troubleshooting step so far? If so, what have you tried? Just let me also know, and I will use this to what to uh, it will help me know the problem you are facing, so that I'll do it, or I'll fix it for you. Once I have this information, I will provide you with specific troubleshooting step to to fit this situation. Do you get me? So uh, this is what I've done, and this is what I want to get. When I get it, I'll do a special video for you. Yeah, I'm here for everybody. I'm here for you all. Yeah, and just let me know, because I've done a lot of videos and some of them are complaining it's not working. Some tools said it's working. So I want you to uh, to try some of the videos in my description, and after that, yeah, I'm going to list some of the videos link in my description. When you try it and it's not working for you, then just let me know the device you're using, and what you see or what pop-ups when you open the NBA Live key in my comment section. Just list it for me in my comment section, and I will fix this problem for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platform. See you in my next one. Bye. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm going to do a special video about this. Yeah, I'll be teaching you some simple tricks on how to fix it. And please, you have to also know these basic things. When you are having a crashing or you are having an issue with a game, what you have to do is to first you have to clear the cache, and you know sometimes you have to restart the phone. It's basic, um, ways to fix crashing and also lagging and also not working problem on any software or any application that you are using. It's very, very necessary and important. So this is what I have for you. See you in my next one, and don't forget to let me know your problem, because it's so important to you and me. So you have to what? You have to just list it down below in the comment section, and I'm going to fix the problem. After that, when I drop it, I will just comment you by replying with the link for you to watch to fix the problem. And if you also have um, ways to fix, or if you've tried a different way and it's working for you, please let me know, and I will also do video for people to also um, get to know how it's fixed. Yeah, it's really important. Yeah, so thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, but please wait. I want to you just let's try this. First of all, like when you are having an issue with a device, what you have to do is to first of all, when you open your phone like this, um, go to your phone menu like this. Let's say this is how to fix NBA Live not opening or not lagging or not working. So when you go to the menu like this, what you have to do next is to search for your settings, your phone settings. So when you find the phone settings, just tap on it. When you tap on it, what you have to do next is to just scroll. You're going to see apps and notification. As other phones, you have not apps and notification, and apps, some to apps and preference, and some to app notifications. So just tap on it, as you can see. So when you tap on it, it's going to load like this. And after loading, let's wait, it's going to finish. So as you can see, it has finished loading, and you're going to see all 312 apps, because I've installed 312 apps on my device. So that's what it's written. Maybe you have 50 apps or 100 apps or 30 or 10 apps. So just tap on the see all apps. So you tap on it like this, and it's going to be listed over here. So all your apps is going to be listed. So you just have to search for the app that is facing the problem, or the app that is not opening, or lagging or not working. So let's say we want to fix NBA Live game, so we have to go to the end section. So let's search for the end section. So it's around this place. So let's search for NBA Live. Okay, so let me search for NBA Live. So let's say I'm not seeing, it seems I don't have the NBA Live over here. So let's say this is the NBA app. Just tap on it. Let me find a different game. Okay, let's use this. Okay, DLS24. So let's say if you open the app like the if you tap on the app like this, what you have to do next is to tap on the storage and cache. Then you tap on clear cache. Then you tap on clear storage. If you don't want any of your levels or any of your gadget and other things in the game to get missing, then don't clear the storage, just clear the cache. After that, go back, tap on notifications, then you have to allow everything over here. After allowing them, go to mobile data and Wi-Fi, or restrict mobile data and Wi-Fi. After that, tap on background data to get it on. After doing that, tap on the Force Stop app, then you go to your Google Play. So when you go to your Google Play, let's search for Google Play Store. So this is Google Play Store. This is what I'm talking about. There, you tap on it. When you tap on it, it's going to open, and what you have to do next is to, let's tap on it like this. When you tap on it, it's going to open. Then you tap on the search app. Then you search for the app that is facing problem, or let's say the NBA app. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, you are going to see updates. Then you tap on update. After updating it, don't open the app. What you have to do next is to restart it. Just tap on your phone for long. You're going to see restart, then tap on restart. Then after that, you tap on OK. So this is how to fix it. If this is not working, please, as I said already, just list the problems, what you are seeing when you're opening the apps, like how you are experiencing it. Just let me know in my comment section, and I'll be happy if you do that for me. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. I don't want the video to be long, so let's end over here. Share it to your friends who are facing this problem, and I'm here to help you, so just let me know. See you in the next one. Bye.